I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect headphones to your Garmin Vivoactive 5. First, make sure your Bluetooth headphones are fully charged and in pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding a specific button until an indicator light flashes. Next, on your Vivoactive 5, swipe down from the watch face to access the quick controls, then tap the gear icon to enter the settings menu. From there, scroll down and select the music or connectivity option to proceed. Once you are in the music or connectivity settings, select headphones. Your Vivoactive 5 will now begin searching for available Bluetooth devices within a range of about 30 feet. It might take a few moments for your headphones to appear on the list. When you see your headphone's name, tap on it to initiate the pairing process. The watch will then attempt to establish a secure connection with your audio device. After selecting your headphones, your Vivoactive 5 will display a confirmation message, indicating a successful connection. You should also hear an audio cue from your headphones. If the connection fails, don't worry. First, ensure your headphones are fully charged and within a few feet of your watch. Sometimes, simply restarting both your headphones and your Vivoactive 5 can resolve minor pairing issues, allowing you to try again. With your headphones successfully connected, you can now enjoy your favorite music directly from your Vivoactive 5. You can control playback, adjust the volume, skip tracks forward or backward, and pause your audio all from your watch screen. This seamless integration allows you to leave your phone behind and enjoy an untethered audio experience during your runs, workouts, or any daily activity. Enjoy your tunes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.